In this guide, you're learning how to create and export animated GIFs in Canva using a simple and efficient workflow designed to elevate the quality of your digital content. Whether you're a marketer, teacher, designer, or someone who simply enjoys creating eye-catching visuals, understanding how to build animated GIFs gives your work an engaging and polished look. These GIFs can be used in presentations, social media posts, websites, email campaigns, or anywhere you want to add a bit of motion and personality. Start by opening your Canva dashboard. You can begin with a blank document, choose a ready-made template, or open an existing project you want to animate. Even if you're brand new to Canva, the interface is extremely user-friendly. Just search for Canva online, enter the official site, and you're ready to go. Inside your document, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Elements tab. This is the heart of Canva's creative tools, giving you access to graphics, shapes, stickers, icons, illustrations, and a wide collection of animated components. Use the search bar to type keywords that describe the animation style you're looking for. You can explore moving arrows, sparkles, characters, decorative motions, seasonal animations, and countless creative stickers. Add them to your canvas, rearrange them, adjust size, layer items, and experiment freely. Try combining multiple animated elements to create something more dynamic. This stage is all about creativity, so feel encouraged to test different ideas and visual effects until you're fully satisfied with the look of your design. Once you're happy with your layout and animations, it's time to download your project as a GIF. Go to the top right corner and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Download. Change the file type to GIF, making sure you're selecting the correct pages if your document contains more than one. Canva will show you a quick preview so you can confirm everything looks right. When you're ready, click Download and Canva will generate your animated GIF within seconds. Your GIF is now ready for use anywhere you need. Engaging visual content. Whether you're enhancing a presentation, designing a social media carousel, adding movement to a digital flyer, or simply creating something fun, the process is effortless once you get the hang of it. Keep experimenting with different combinations of animations, transitions, text effects, and design elements. Over time, you'll develop your own style and discover new ways to bring motion, character, and energy into all your creative projects inside Canva.